Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. I am bringing this to you today. This is a ribbon pour that I did yesterday on a 10 by 10 canvas, level 1, and for some reason, when I was turning on the video, I was actually turning it off. It was already on. So needless to say, I did not get it on video. I still wanted to show it to you, so I'm going to put this up as a really short video today. And I'm sorry I didn't capture it, the whole entire thing on video. I like the way this came out. This was actually some leftover paints and sea mist and some aquas and teal colors that I use from Master Scotch and Folk Art. So this is how it turned out. It looks like choppy waves in an ocean and emerald, not emerald, but aqua seas with mix of blue. I love it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. God bless, be safe, and be happy, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.